Hey everyone, we're back with another productivity pro tip, and today it's all about supercharging team collaboration. We're talking Microsoft Loop and how we can loop in collaboration to help everyone to be more productive. But first up, I'm Kat Schneider, Power Platform developer here at Insight and your productivity pro today. I've got almost 15 years in the public sector trying to find new and innovative ways to use the various Microsoft tools available. My passion for and curiosity about data has led me on a journey of continuous learning and growth. And it's that passion that I share back into the Microsoft communities and here with you today. So let's get started. The workplace of today is different than it used to be. Teamwork and collaboration is different. It's hard keeping track of tasks in an email, Teams message, Post-it notes, and everywhere else. There's no one place or app that works for everyone, and then organizing the process, it can take up more time than the work itself. But that's where Microsoft Loop comes to the rescue. Here I am in the Loop app, and I want to create a new workspace. I click Add a Name, click Create. When we first get in, we can see there's already some templates down at the bottom to help us get started. What I want to do is click Project Brief and use this template. It loads in a template with sections for an overview, goals, members, and deliverables. If I click to include content, it fills in an example of all the items that I can add in. I'm actually going to change this project deliverables to a Loop component so that I can use it later on in Word, OneNote, even Outlook. Once I get that in there, I can copy it and then I can paste it into an email. I can even go over to Teams chat, paste it in a message, and then send that message. Notice when it loads up, I can then click on any of these items to mark them complete. And then when I go back to my draft email, I can see that it's been updated based on the changes I made in Team. And if I go back to Loop, I can see that those items have also been marked complete as well. But Loop is not just about bringing the team together, it's about ensuring that everyone can work where they work best. The Loop templates help us bypass the setup hassles and dive right into what truly matters, effective collaboration. Now, if you found today's productivity pro tip helpful, imagine what more we can do to streamline your business processes and workflow. Here in development at Insight, we specialize in converting Excel processes into robust Power Platform solutions. If you're ready to elevate your business's data game, contact us for your next Excel to Power Platform project. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks, and we'll see you in our next video or webinar. Thank you.